Today, families and friends of Jonelle Matthews cried both tears of joy and sorrow in this courtroom right here behind me. Nearly 40 years after he murdered Jonelle Matthews, Steve Pankey was not only convicted, but sentenced to life behind bars. The family praised the DA's office and local law enforcement for never giving up on their pursuit of justice for Jonelle. But Steve Pankey said they got everything but. Monday morning, Steve Pankey walked into a Weld County courtroom wearing a suit to learn his fate.
We, the jury, find the defendants Steve and Dana Pankey guilty of murder in the first degree. Now
a convicted murderer, Pankey was shackled and in a prisoner's jumpsuit when it came to sentencing. Life in prison with the possibility of parole after 20 years.
I just want to cry.
Nearly 38 years after Pankey murdered 12-year-old Jonelle Matthews, her family finally has closure.
It was a miracle, and I have to give God credit for that. Until the body was found, we were consigned to the fact that we may never know what happened to her.
Her parents said Monday's verdict brought a flood of emotions from decades of built-up pain.
Obviously relief, closure, finality for our family, and praising God for his help in this as well.
Jonelle's parents and sister were allowed to address the court, where they spent their time calling on Pankey to seek forgiveness, but not from them.
I cannot forgive him for how he killed Jonelle. God is the only one who can forgive evil, and I feel that this is evil.
Pankey only had 3 things to say.
I am a Christian. I will be in heaven. I am innocent, and this is not justice for Jonelle.
We're not going to let this obsess us and haunt us. We've got the verdict that we want now. Steve Pankey is a human being, and he has a soul, and it's still not too late for him to get things right with God.
After 38 years of heartache and 2 trials in the past 2 years, the Matthews family says they are still working on getting to the point of forgiveness themselves, but they haven't ruled out that possibility happening one day. Her father said that the community should be proud not only of law enforcement, but of the judicial system for never giving up on Jonelle. In Greeley, Dillon Thomas, covering Colorado First.